Hiya and welcome to our latest product video. Today we're going to be going over the 1500 series, the main product features and the assembly of the wall mount bracket. As part of the kit, you've got a 45-degree bracket, 2 lugs, 2 self-tapping screws and a security screw. On the rear of the enclosure, you will see 4 points where the lugs are mounted. To get started, you're going to want to take 1 self-tapping screw and 1 lug. Insert the self-tapping screw through the lug, and then using your Phillips screwdriver, you're going to want to screw down into the box. Now repeat with the second lug. The enclosure should look like this. On the 45-degree bracket, we've got mounting points for connecting the bracket to the enclosure, fixing points for connecting the bracket to the wall, a cable entry point, drilling guides, and a point for connecting the security screw. As you can see from our example, the 45-degree bracket and flat bracket can be mounted in multiple ways. So as you can see, using the easy snap fit action, the 1500 series can be mounted in multiple different ways, opening up endless applications.